Introducing the Ambrane Aerosync Snap. This power bank changes everything for your charging needs. With the Aerosync Snap, you drop cables and gain freedom. This device provides 10000 MagSafe charging, offering seamless wireless power. The power bank offers versatile dual outputs. The USB-A port pushes 22.5 W, and the Type-C port pushes 22 W for fast-wired charging. The device recharges fast, taking only 3.5 hours. This is achieved using a powerful 20 W PD input. The design feels premium with a rubber coating on the exterior. This finish not only feels good, but also prevents scratches, keeping your device looking new. The device supports both Apple and Android devices. For Android users, the box includes a magnetic ring for compatibility. The Aerosync Snap provides core value for 1,619 rupees. The Aerosync Mount adds a convenient kickstand for 1,899 rupees. The AerosynQ Snap 2 features Qi 2 technology for 2,249 rupees. Ambrane empowers users with reliable power. With these products, you stock the future of charging.